Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei P60 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use reverse wireless charging. In the beginning, let's go to settings and search for wireless reverse charging. Enter it and enable this function. Now put the phone on the screen and on the back of it put the second phone. As you can see, the second phone is now charging. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.